What's up guys, Ryan here. Today I wanted to show you how to create multicolored embroidered hat designs on Printful. Specifically because I think Printful's UI is great, it's intuitive, it's easy to use, but I've sold a ton of hats on Printful and it took me way too long to figure out how easy it is to create multicolored designs on Printful. So I used to upload multiple layers to each hat and have one layer be one thread color. Now, if you're familiar with how Printful hats work, you can select up to 4 different thread colors per design, but you do not need to upload 4 different layers for 4 different thread colors. You can actually just upload one multicolored image and select the thread colors, and Printful will figure it out and embroider it for you. So in this example, I'm going to go ahead and download a smiley face, and we'll just do like a black and yellow. Black and yellow embroidered smiley face design. So let me see here. This one should be good. It's from Wikipedia, so there should be no issues using it. Save that to my desktop. Cool. Now I'm going to go back to Printful, go to stores, add product, go to hats, snapbacks. This Yupong 5-panel for $13.95 is my favorite. It's my go-to. Select all colors, deselect white. Actually, we can even do white because we're going to do a 2-color smiley face. Go over to upload file. I'm going to select it from the desktop here. There we go. Choose. All right, normally I'll go into Photoshop and crop these to fit the hats better. But since I didn't take time to do that this time, we'll position it like that. All right, so now this is what's cool. All you have to do is down here where it says pick thread color, Printful will match the thread color that you choose to your image. So all I have to do is click yellow. And now you're like, uh-oh, the face disappeared. Something's wrong. I need to upload the second layer. No, you don't have to do that. Just come over here and click black. And now Printful has figured out that even though what we uploaded is not as black as the thread color, it's a dark enough gray that they matched it to the black thread, and they know. So we clicked yellow, we clicked black, and now we have our design ready to be embroidered on this Printful hat. So it's actually super easy, and I wasted quite a bit of time in some past designs that I've made uploading multiple layers. And what's funny is, like, if you do have the multi-layer design and you select one thread color per layer, which is not the right way to do this, but just saying, what they'll do when the design is finalized and rendered on the hat is they will save it as a single flat file PNG. So if you upload 4 different layers, by the time it's done, Printful will just save it as one file. So that's it for today. Thanks for checking out this video. Hopefully you found it useful. It took me way too long to figure this out. If you liked it, hit that like button, subscribe, drop me a comment, and I'll see you at the next one.
Wherever she goes, I go, we roll, we go, flying over cities down to Rio. It's Rio, love that I feel. Oh, nothing lasts forever, but I'm down for the minute, so just chill.